Welcome to the DocuFit Medical Charts demonstration video. We hope that you find this video informative. Space for the storage of medical charts in an ambulatory surgery center can be cumbersome and expensive. Off-site storage has typically been the solution of choice, but as a center grows, this choice becomes even more expensive. The other problem with paper charts is the one chart that you actually have to find is usually the one that proves to be the most elusive. DocuFit is an affordable, intelligent document management system that eliminates the need for off-site storage and greatly reduces any space required on-site. When charts are stored electronically with DocuFit, storing, locating, and retrieval issues are problems of the past. DocuFit is an affordable, intelligent document management system that is the perfect solution for medical chart storage. It is 100% secure and 100% HIPAA compliant. DocuFit's simple and easy-to-use indexing is accomplished through a fully automated process, yet searching could not be any easier and both powerful and robust. Storing charts is divided into two separate processes. First, scanning, and second, indexing, which is a totally automated process. Searching is also an integral part of the DocuFit system and will also be covered in this video. Scanning charts is simple and easy. Scanning can be accomplished either in a standalone scanner or with a multifunction printer. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will use a standalone scanner. ScanFit is the program we will use to scan charts into the system. ScanFit is set up during the installation process. Once the chart is placed in the scanner, the location where the scanned chart is to be sent is selected. In this case, we will select the secure ASC inbox. We then select Scan Documents. As the chart is scanned, each of its pages are previewed in the right pane. A message will appear confirming scanning is complete. We select OK to confirm the process, and the chart is then saved. Indexing charts in DocuFit is simple and easy. We open the DocuFit program and go to the inbox where unindexed charts are located. We select the ASC directory, which is the destination directory we chose during the scanning demonstration. The system has auto-determined the scanned document as a medical chart. It does this based on rules established during the setup process. As the chart opens, we can unpin this pane in order to allow us to see more of the previewed document. In the index panel, we see the defined index fields. Each of the fields have associated data within the chart. We have previously defined the zonal position, and therefore DocuFit knows exactly where to look for each field's data and enters it automatically. Once the information has been confirmed, we select Index to complete the process. For the purposes of this demonstration, we have added a signature verification process. DocuFit can be told where to look for multiple signatures within a chart and display them here. Automatic processes can be established if required signatures are missing. We can then go to DocuFit Cabinet Explorer, open the ASC and chart folders, and see the charts that we have stored. All of these folders have been created and named automatically. In this case, folders are named based on chart and medical record number. When we open a chart folder, we see the individual charts. Here there are two charts representing two separate dates of service. File names are customizable based on index values. Here we've used medical record number, date of service, and patient name. Often we see date of birth used as well. From this area of Cabinet Explorer, you can double-click on a chart to open it. Once opened, you can view the entire chart, and you also have the ability to print it. Indexing and viewing charts within DocuFit is simple and easy. The indexing structure within DocuFit is totally flexible. Indexing fields are totally customizable and are defined upon installation. Any consistent information can be defined as an index field. Folder names are also totally customizable. Any index field can be used in the naming process. And again, file names are also totally customizable. Any index fields or combination of index fields can be used in the naming process. Searching within DocuFit is both powerful and robust. We begin our search from Cabinet Explorer. From the search area within Cabinet Explorer, we can search on any word or series of words. Here we enter the word hernia. The search returns 2 charts. We can expand these charts and see the chart name. We can open a chart and display it in the document viewer. In the right pane is the actual chart, while the left pane will display the search details. When we expand the search details, we will see the search word, in this case hernia, appears on page 1 and 19. We can open these designated pages, which then display in the right pane. You will notice the search word is highlighted. The search may also be narrowed to help find specific information. If we enter the word arthroscopy, the system finds the word on 6 charts. We can then enter the word knee, and the system will only display charts that contain both knee and arthroscopy. In this case, it's the same 6 charts. When we further limit the search to right knees, only 3 charts are returned, indicating a total of 3 knee arthroscopies. We again open the search to display the individual chart. We expand the 3-word combination and we find them located again on page 1 and 19. Notice that each of the words in the search are highlighted with a different color for ease of location. Searching is also helpful if you need to identify specific implants or lot numbers. Here we enter the word mesh and 2 charts are returned. We follow the same steps to open the charts. If an implant label had been placed on the chart, the product name, lot number, and manufacturer would have been recognized in the OCR process and would also be available for a valid search. Here we find that the Prolene mesh was used on a hernia repair. Searching within DocuFit is extremely easy to execute, and the searching system is both powerful and robust. We hope that you have found this video informative. Please contact our sales department for more information.